As a society, we are growing every day, so in order for us to continue to grow, we need civil engineers to develop and design new ideas for developments, roadways.
Growing up, I always had an interest in buildings and how things were built. I wouldn't have to be the one that's, necessarily swinging the hammer, but I would still be involved in that process.
Civil engineering has a lot to do with transportation, structures. It also has a lot to do with the environment, including water and wastewater treatment, which I think a lot of people don't recognize all the time.
So right now I am a forensic staff engineer for Barry Isid and Associates. I investigate structural collapses. A lot of the times we'll have people call us in for subsidence assessments, structural assessments on buildings. The thing that I enjoy most is helping clients, showing your worth to the client and making an impact on people's lives.
So the first year or two is kind of basic classes where you're learning basic structures, some physics, chemistry, a little bit of everything. And then junior year, you kind of get to decide where you want to go from there.
My studies at Penn State definitely prepared me, not only having the background in the technical skills, but also the theory behind how things work.
There's definitely a lot of hands-on opportunity here at Penn State Harrisburg. A lot of professors are looking for research students. Currently, one of my classes is a water quality lab, and we have been able to go out and do some sampling. I also had the opportunity to do some research with one of the professors on campus. That has been a lot of fun to work with them and be able to see how certain things impact the environment.
As an undergraduate student, I was given the opportunity to work as a research assistant. So the research that I was focused on was utilizing municipal solid waste incinerator ash as a replacement for fine aggregate and concrete. So working as an undergraduate student, I got to spend time in the lab, make concrete samples, test them, break them. You're kind of outside the classroom and you're getting your hands dirty.
There's a lot of opportunity here, but I don't feel like I'm getting lost in the shuffle of 2,000 students that are also in the department. I feel like I know my professors more on a personal level versus just seeing them in class twice a week.
I was given all the resources that I could possibly have asked for as an undergrad student.
I've had 2 internships over my time here at Penn State Harrisburg, both of which I really enjoyed, but I feel like internships have definitely helped me tone down my concentrations and really focus on certain areas.
When I was fresh out of college, the first design project that I worked on was a rehabilitation of a concrete arch bridge that was built in 1915. And I sat in my desk and I did the exact same section analysis that I learned in Dr. Maracunte's Intro to Concrete class. So the knowledge and theory that I gained throughout my schooling at Penn State really helped further my career, and that helped me grow quickly as a design professional in the engineering industry.
Coming to Penn State Harrisburg, if you're interested in civil engineering, is definitely a great idea, especially if you want to get a personal experience with a great education. There's a lot of opportunities and a lot of great professors who are more than willing to help you, guide you in whichever way you want to go. I'd say after studying at Penn State Harrisburg, I definitely feel confident in my education and my abilities that I have to go out into the workforce and feel confident in the work that I will be doing.